All right, so initially the main purpose behind me coming out into these elements, which you can see right there, before it was -6 and -9. Now I guess it's not as bad, and it's only 3 below 0. But take a look here. This is going to be the Jordan 8 winterized, and I wanted to kind of show the difference or the comparison between the two, because these actually keep your foot very well insulated, and I mean very well insulated actually. Now if you are considering on wearing these, especially for the colder weather, I'm going to show you the difference between these and the elements. Now, I have my elements on foot right now, but I will show you the primary difference between the two, because both of these serve a purpose. Now I'm going to get back indoors to finish off the rest of this review. Wow, that feels good to be back indoors. All right, so the Jordan 8 overall is a bulkier shoe, and I'm gonna be honest with you, me personally, in colder temperatures, I find this to be a little bit more helpful in colder temperatures. We have that strap right there that helps keep your foot nice and tight, nice and just secured. After you lace it up and strap it up, if you want to use that strap system, which I use, you see the padding we have there on the tongue. You see the padding we have in the interior. You see that inner boot that we have there. I did get some pretty good traction as well, you know, so I was actually quite impressed with the traction that I was able to get with it. But overall, because this is just a well insulated shoe, I find it to keep your feet pretty warm, also sometimes even hot, you know. So in colder temperatures, yes, this is it. Now, one more point that I would like to add to this particular sneaker here is, and actually the same thing actually goes for the Jordan 1. Jordan 8s and Jordan 1s for me tends to fit, the sizes are fit. It's like, you know, fit to size, right? So one thing that I've noticed is if you want to fit the size, true to size, that's what I was really trying to find, right? True to size. But if you want to maybe even double up on a pair of socks, right? Or if you were to get some sort of insulated socks or some sort of wool socks, I would say go a half a size up, just so that you're not sacrificing that comfort in order to keep your feet warm if you feel like you need it. Let me know what you think down below. All right, now with the Air Jordan 1 Light Curry, take a quick little look at these. We have that GoreTex material here on the medial and lateral side of the shoe. As you can tell, I wear these. Man, I wore these a lot actually last summer, but I'm gonna get to that in a minute. We have that 3M reflective material that goes all the way around, which is pretty cool. You got that 3M material. I already showed you the GoreTex. You see that silver Wings logo there. And you got that hint of red right there on that tongue. Man, these are actually pretty clean. Ironically, I'm glad I actually built these out for this video, because we've been having a whole bunch of colder weather out here in Colorado, and I instantly, thanks to the camera, it was just the way I just happened to have my camera set up, but just the other day, you guys been showing me so much love on it. But let's take a look at the Air Jordan 1 yellow ochre. Now these yellow ochres just dropped the other day. They are available for you to go grab these. Personally, I'd say wait, you're gonna catch a very good deal on them. But these just happen to have the black laces in it, and this happens to have that same Chicago color blocking in it. But these right here also have this material right here, you know, good for like, it's that GoreTex, so you know it's good for weatherproofing, well more like water resistant, waterproofing material, right? But it's actually very breathable, and because it's breathable, this is the reason why this sneaker really came through for me more during the summer. So in the summertime when we have rain, right, you see that 3M reflective material there. So both of these have that 3M reflective material. But in the summertime, when it comes to rain and like a hotter seasonal shoe, for something that's breathable and still going to give you that water resistance, waterproofing, I would go with this. But in the winter time, with the colder temperatures, because of that insulation that we have here, I would go with this. Ultimately, let me know what you think. Do you own any of these? Do you work out in the elements like I do? Let me know. Guys, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support.